Welcome to Block of the Month by the Quilting Company. This lesson will be about the center section. We'll be discussing the accurate placement of applique on the center border. To make this center, use the same techniques as we did for the star flower block in video 2. So let's take a look at accurate placement of applique. This divide and conquer applique placement technique will work with any applique in any border. In this project, we're appliquing dots. To place our dots accurately, we need some markings. The first step is to press the border in half lengthwise. Then press the border in half in the middle. Be sure not to lose the first line you pressed. Next, take your ruler and make an offset adjustment for the 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now I've got 12 inches to work with and 4 items to applique. I'll divide 12 by 4, which will give me 3-inch segments, so divide and conquer. I'll center the applique within those 3-inch segments and make sure they're not too high or too low. When you have them just where you want them, fuse and stitch. I didn't want to go with just one stitch. I wanted to try different options to see how they looked. Here I tried a straight stitch, a zigzag, buttonhole, and a decorative stitch. Don't be afraid to experiment with your stitches and your thread. No Weeds Here Block of the Month is brought to you by Hoffman Fabrics, made to inspire since 1924. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.